Hi my friends, welcome back to the Half-Life universe and dark future of humanity. And today on my channel I will make the Hunter, another combined synth. I've already done Strider and Gunship before, and today I'll show you how to make another scary creature from Half-Life world. The Hunter have not very large round-shaped body, and I begin to fit it with organs and mechanical parts. Firstly, I made power supply unit, exactly the same energy model as I did in my previous synths. This power source is used to supply energy to organs and recharge weapon. Brain. Because all synths are semi-living organisms, they have a brain. But yes, it's not very large and not as developed as in highly intelligent creatures. Combines used it to control enslaved creatures by installing neural implants on them, these little purple sensors. Also, for the functioning of all biological organs, I added a heart. The Hunter's main weapons are its high-speed explosive flechette projectiles, the large metal darts ending fork-like spikes and are capable of vaporizing biological matter with a few hits. I placed these flechettes in special clips and attached a muzzle that lowers the spikes into the launcher. When a flechette hits a solid surface, it will stick there for a few moments before exploding, dealing splash damage to the enemy nearby. This is a very dangerous weapon at mid-range, and much worse is hunters are very accurate at firing their weapons. On the frontal part of Hunter's body you can see two flechette launchers. For each of them I made clips and control muzzles. The spikes are fired from the launchers using electromagnetic pulses. That's why hunters need such a large power unit. On the left side of the body I place the inner eyes, which will be covered with the skin. At the end I cover all internal parts of the body with the muscle and apply skin. As you already know, two big blue spots, it's not a hunter's eyes, it's projectile launchers and now made external part of these launchers. The hunter can move and aim them independently of each other. This is the most recognizable part of the synth, which is why I paid so much attention to it. The hunter's body is partially encased in a shiny metallic blue-green exoskeleton. It has bulletproof properties and makes the hunter a very difficult target. The left side of the body shows thickening of the skin that covers the inner eyes. On the right side of the body another organ is visible. I think this is to smell the victim, like a dog's nose. On the lower part of the body you can see arborescent slits. Behind the hunter's body we can see a massive antenna, through which he receives, combines orders and control signals. The hunter has 3 legs, like a strider, that's why it's what originally called mini strider. But his legs are different. It has 3 horses-like muscular legs on its sides and back, that end in sharp barbs. They provided him with excellent mobility and speed, and also used as weapons on a close range. The hunter's mobility is his huge advantage. This synth used by Combine as a scout for close-range assault and assassination missions, or as a bodyguard for escorting tasks. Very often they were used as escort for striders, in order to keep enemies away and allow striders to fight at a long distance. On another hand, hunters do not appear to be well suited to urban combat situations, as most of their tactics, which rely on speed, range and maneuverability, are strongly impaired in close quarters. If multiple hunters are deployed in the same mission area, they tend to use pack hunting tactics such as flanking and suppression fire. Also, thanks to his speed, the hunter can use its body as a ram to break down weak structures and pounce on vulnerable targets. At point-blank range, they use the claws on their small feet to cut their opponents, which can seriously injure the target. You could see the spikes in the third episode with Alex. Attach them to the lower side of the body. And another pair of limbs with claws is located in the same place. Another large lump is visible on the back. My version is that it is an organ that picks up vibration and helps find a hidden victim. What do you think about that? Well, I completed my hunter and as always try to talk about its organs, internal and external parts and how it works. As for me, hunter is one of the most dangerous opponents in the Combine's army. This creature is the born hunter-killer. In the background is my previous scene from the Half-Life universe, Combine's gunship. Video you can find on my channel. Well guys, I hope we can wait the Half-Life 3. Everybody, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, and see you at the next video.